And good morning, good evening, students and traders. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is Professional Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Sound check, right? Give me a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check. Alright, everybody, welcome. This is the Forex Trading Course 101 on YouTube and other streaming platforms. Everybody, remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way, and you are going to graduate from this course, everybody, when you have your chart set up and ready for trading, number one. Number two, you have your strategy in place. You understand why the Fibonacci wins, why the Fibonacci loses. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Hello Clara, how are you? For questions and homeworks, you have the Gmail contact, and for yes, thank you very much. And for extra webinars and workshops and seminars, we are using Skype and Zoom, of course. Alright, today we have Fibonacci, the Fibonacci ratios, and the original Fibonacci. Alright. So take a screenshot of this, everybody, or send me an email so I can send it to you. The picture. The original Fibonacci, number one, we use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. Okay, everybody? So we are using the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction, and then we compare trend direction from the larger time frame to the lower time frame. The last thing, we need to identify in what zones are the Fibonacci. So rally, we talked about yesterday, rally, retracement, extension, deep retracement, extension. And we have a simple rule: for high probability trades, we should always enter in extensions and in the same direction. Picture down in here, as you can see, everybody, you have the daily Fibonacci. You have the A, you have the B, then you have the C, and this movement from C to the D is basically the 1 hour, 2 hour time frame, right? And both original Fibonaccis are moving down. Alright? Things to remember: the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. The Fibonacci is stronger than the trend line. One more time, the Fibonacci is stronger than the trend line. You want to buy or sell at the C and profit take at the D. You find the C using the contrarian Fibonacci. We're going to talk about this one too. We are in an extension when the market has found the C, the market broke the counter trend line break, the market has crowned if you want, everybody. Best scenario 1 plus 2 plus 3. Alright, any questions in here? Any questions? No questions, alright? Everybody, what is the trend direction on AUD CAD monthly chart, up or down? Talking about the Fibonacci, the rule is saying that we are using the Fibonaccis to determine trend direction. Hello Broto, how are you? Is this market long term supposed to go up to the A, or is this market supposed to go down to the extension? Everybody, up or down? And after the Fibonacci, we're going to have a session as always. What is your strategy? Okay, what is your strategy? Down, very good. Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to clone the chart, and we are going to we're going to delete this Fibonacci, and we are going to go on the weekly chart, A, B, C, D, right? Weekly chart, A, B, projected the extension AB, we are missing the C. Alright, capital C, there we go. So yesterday we talked about ABCD, the rules of the ABCD swing. Now today we have the Fibonacci ratios, right? And it goes simple like this. It's not that difficult, everybody. Okay, so you have the, yes, still the original one. The contrarian in about 2 weeks. Down says Shola. Broto says, I have no idea. Look at the Fibonacci, Broto. AB, is the Fibonacci down or up? So we have A to B, everybody. We have the, this is the market, right? It's moving high, something like this, you know. It's A to B, right? And here we have the C. Okay, and we have the appropriate, the extension, which is up in here. Okay, so very slowly, nothing difficult. When the market retraces in between, in here, and this is the C, then the appropriate extension is the green, everybody. Okay, is the green. Okay, when the market retraces and it touches or breaks the first level, 61.8 retracement, the appropriate extension is 1618. So green goes to green still. Okay, when the market goes down and hits or retraces until the blue 50 whatever, the appropriate extension is still green, 1618. When the market goes to 382, same story, the appropriate extension is still 1618. Now pay attention, everybody. When the market breaks 382 but it doesn't touch the blue one, 23%, the extension is still the green. Okay, only when the market touches or breaks the blue, then the appropriate extension is the blue. Yes, this is the relationship between retracement and extensions. If the market breaks the blue but it doesn't touch the red, the appropriate extension is still the blue. Blue color, 1 to 7 the extension. Okay, so we're going to do something like this. This is the extension and this is the green. Then this is the extension and this is going to be blue. And the last one, of course, is going to be exactly red. When the market hits or breaks the red, now that the extension becomes the red, changing colors, so that the extension is the red. Okay, when the market breaks the red level, the 14%, okay, but it doesn't touch the black, the appropriate extension is still the red. And finally, if the market touches the, it must not break, it touches the 0%, the black one, then the appropriate extension is going to be the 100. Alright? So green goes to green, blue goes to blue, red goes to red, and black goes to black. So this is our C right now, right? And if the market breaks, you know, whatever down in here, so this Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Okay, the market broke the A level. The Fibonacci is not valid anymore. Okay, everybody, take a screenshot, cell phone, photo, whatever, everybody. Okay, so it's not valid anymore in here. We don't need 5.382 line isn't, so we don't need 50 and 382. You have it, Broto, you have it. You have the 50% retracement and the 382 retracement. Broto, you have it there. Why not? If we break black for 1 pip, Fibonacci is not valid, correct? Mattia, Fibonacci not valid anymore? Correct, not valid anymore. Type in the chat done, everybody. Once you're done, type in the chat done so we can move forward. If you want, you can learn the numbers, but you don't need to. If you want, just remember, green goes to green, blue goes to blue, red goes to red. If the market takes the A out for 1 pip, it's not valid anymore. Okay? They are all the same target. Yes, sir. Done. Alright, everybody. So now what we are going to go on, this is the month. Now we're going to go on the weekly. On the weekly. We're going to go on the weekly and alright, everybody, where should we start our weekly original Fibonacci on AUD? By the way, you apply the same things on all currency pair. Alright? And then we are going to see an up Fibonacci, alright? So let's do the exercise AUD weekly chart. Should we start our A at the first circle, everybody, or at the second circle? Should we start at the first circle or second circle? Our A. There is no right or wrong. And then type in the chat, everybody, which one do you want to see? Find an up sequence, find a market that is gravitating from the lower band to the upper band, and type in the chat. First comes, first is served. Alright? Find an up market. First one, very good, nothing special, right? So we're going to start here. We're going to zoom in the chart and horizontal lines. Do this with me, everybody. Horizontal lines. We're looking for highs and lows. This is our A, the B is the first low as soon as possible, and Fibonacci retracement tool. Alright. If you want, you can right click and extend to the right, everybody. If it's better for you to see until where it goes, makes sense, the retracement. So we have here, this is our A. No monthly, weekly, AUD weekly chart. Boss, the weekly is the same. The weekly, it's absolutely not the same, everybody. Don't confuse monthly chart with the weekly. They look like similar, but they are not. Make sense? Alright, everybody. Which one is our C? Is the first circle our C, or is the second circle our C? Is the first circle our C, retracement on the down Fibonacci, or is the second circle? Come on, traders, is the first circle our C, or is the second circle our C? Yes, there is right or wrong. Fibonacci is different. Fibonacci is very precise. Brought us a second, very good. Second one, yes sir. Okay. Everybody remember, you can apply this to all time frames and all currency pairs, right? So if I am up in here and if I draw a trend line, something like this, give it a second. If I draw a trend line, something like this, and then if I draw another trend line, something like that, right? Okay, or if I draw another trend line, whatever might be the case, just an example, right? Okay, where should I profit take? At the green, at the blue, or at the red? Yes, exactly, this is why I have it like this. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong. You can do like this, you can put it on the right side, and to see where is the C, you can use another horizontal line. Change color, transparency, whatever, so you can see, okay, the market hit the red, right? Okay. So whenever I enter, where should I profit take? Second, yes. This was about the C, show us a second, clear us a second, very good. Now, where should I profit take? Should I profit take at the green, the extension? Should I profit take at the blue, the extension, or should I profit take at the red, the extension? Broto says red. Very good. So if I enter at the second red, excellent everybody. So if I enter at the second counter trend line break and my stop loss is above the A, can I take this trade? What's the answer? Look at the chart. Look at the chart. If I enter at the second counter trend line break and if I put the stop loss above the A, can I take this trade? Yes or no? Boss, I don't know. Look at the risk-reward ratio. Risk-reward ratio. Am I risking one to make one? Am I risking one per two? And everybody, how many of you are long up in here? How many of you are long up in here? On your daily chart or 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart? How many of you are buying this uptrend? And you might win 2 or 3 times. You might win 2 or 3 times. But then you are going to give back 60%, 30%, whatever, back to the market. And they are calling you a genius, right? Broto, how did you know that this market is going to fall? Right? Broto, you're a genius. How, Broto boss, how did you know that this market is going to fall? Because the original Fibonacci is down. So 7 times out of 10, not 10 times out of 10, 7 times out of 10, everybody, this mark is going to push down. Make sense? And the answer is no, I cannot enter this trade, right? Very good. So red goes to red, and we clarified yesterday that it must be a low. So I'm looking for a low, everybody. Which one is the low? Is the first circle the low, or is the second circle the low? Which one is the low? Or more specifically, which one is the extension, everybody? First circle or second circle? The extension. First circle, second circle. Yeah, it didn't stop at the red. Which one is the extension? Clara says second. Which one is the extension? So one more time, everybody. The market should stop at the red, right? The market should stop at the red. I'm going to connect A to B, B to C, right? The market should stop at the red. Broto says first circle. So the market didn't stop at the red. The market pulled down, 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 down. And the first circle, Clara, is the low. So the first circle, everybody, it's the correct answer. Okay? This is the correct answer. A to B, B to C, C to D. There you go. Now, we've learned yesterday, A goes to C, A goes to C, B goes down to D, B goes to D, and Fibonacci retracement tool. We're going to connect A to B again. Shola says first, Clara first. Alright. Alright, so we are looking at the sequence and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, and long story short, this was the period of consolidation. Alright. Now the extension down here, ABC. Everybody, which one is the C this time? Is the first circle the C, or is the second circle the C? Boss, I don't know. Well, spread the horizontal line, right? Horizontal line. Horizontal line on the high. Which one is higher, everybody? The first or the second? The second. Very good. Did the market hit the blue? Everybody? So A to B, B to C, C to D, A to B, B to C. Now I must find the D. Should I profit take at the red or the blue or the green? Which one? Boss, I don't know. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Is this orange line, did the orange line touch the blue? Did the orange line, boss, I don't see it. Alright. Did the violet line touch the blue line, everybody? If you are not seeing it, zoom in the chart, right? Did the violet line touch the blue line? No, exactly. So, which one is going to be? Red goes to red, blue goes to blue, or green goes to green? Which one? Boss, I don't get it. From B to C, everybody, all of this price action, it was a retracement. Make sense? From B to C, all of this price action, red, this was nothing more than a retracement. Make sense? And the market never hit the D extension. This was just a retracement. The market, if you look how deep the retracement was, you are going to see that the market was up and down, up and down, up and down, but the market never hit the blue. Agreed, everybody? Whatever the market did in here, the market never hit the blue, so it's still, yes, this is the ratio, retracement, right? So the market still went to green and it should go down to green. Did the market hit the green? It didn't, right? So all of this mess and this wishy-washy, you know, your heart palpitation and the drama, and you going long on the 1 hour chart and losing, and you're going short on the 2 hour chart and losing, all of this drama was nothing more than a retracement inside the AB boundary. So A to B, B to C, B to C is a retracement. Of course, back in time the C was up in here, but then it made a higher point. So this is now our C, make sense? So because we didn't hit the blue, then our D extension is where? Green, exactly, green. And so I'm going to clone, and I'm going to go on the red, and now I'm going to go on the chart down here. I'm going to go on the chart down here, and I must find a low, exactly. So this is the D extension, and I'm going to zoom in the chart, and I need to find the low. So down in here is the low. This is the D extension. And what I'm going to do, as from yesterday, just repetition. Out this one, A goes to C, B goes to D, right? The extension down in here. So out this one, A goes to B, A goes to C, and B goes to D, right? Fibonacci retracement tool, and A, B, C, D, and there you have it, everybody. So there you go. Now we have two Fibonacci's, right? Out this one. We have two Fibonacci's. This is our C. Somebody is yelling at me, boss, I've told you that it's the same. Listen to me. The monthly chart and the weekly chart are not the same. And again, if you want to listen, listen. If you don't want to listen, I cannot help you, make sense? My life is not going to change. Just because they overlap sometimes, everybody. And then don't call me, you know, make sense? If you're not going to listen, don't call me, you know, oh boss, this Fibonacci doesn't work. It works. It works, believe me. ABCD, so one more time. The extension, it's down here. So we can also, there you go. This is the weekly chart. Here and here and here. Everybody, can you do this? Can you do this? Now, listen to me, where do you lose money? And now hopefully the Fibonacci is going to help you not to lose. And I did the same back in time because I didn't know about the Fibonacci's. When we lose money, everybody, is in here, in this price action, you know, on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, sometimes even the daily, the market is going to go trending up and is going to make even a higher high compared to the previous one. Can you see it, everybody? The market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So here it made a higher high, pushed back down, and then it made another higher high, and you are going long. Wrong answer. You should not go long. Why not, boss? Because again, if you're going to use the Fibonacci's, then you must listen to the Fibonacci's. Make sense? You shouldn't go long. Why not? Because we use the original Fibonacci to determine trend direction. But it made a higher high. It doesn't matter. You have a down sequence. Make sense? Yes, you can, Broto. But the smaller the time frame, so pen and paper, everybody. Pen and paper. The Fibonacci has an edge on the monthly, weekly, and the daily. Is going to win 7 times out of 10. If you go on the 15-minute chart, then this statistic becomes 5 times out of 10. You can still make money with risk-reward ratio, but the smaller the time frame, the more noise. Boss, can you repeat, please? Yes, sir. Fibonacci has an edge on the monthly, weekly, and the daily. Is going to win 7 times out of 10. But when you push to the lower time frames, 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart, and lastly on the 15-minute chart, it's not going to be 7 times out of 10, it's going to be 5 times out of 10. Oh, so it's a loser. No, it's not. On the 1-hour chart, it's going to be 6 times out of 10. Make sense? 2-hour charts, sometimes 6 times, sometimes 7 times. The lower you go, the more noise. Alright? Don't call me, you told me I'm on the 15-minute chart. You chose the 15-minute chart. Yes, those statistics are on average. Yes, sir. Alright? Don't go... Boss, what about retracements? If you are trading retracements, it's alright. Makes sense, everybody? But talking about strategy rules... No, I cannot tell you what to do. You must choose what you are going to trade. Makes sense? They're talking about strategies. There is no right or wrong. You can have a strategy rule that you are not going to go against the monthly and the weekly, or you can have a strategy rule that you can go and you trade the retracements. But seeing here what is going to happen, the market is going to make a higher high. You are going to buy the next time, right? The market just made a higher high, and you are going to buy this beautiful, you are going to buy this beautiful bullish candlestick formation. You are going to see double bottoms, and you are going to see something like this, and you are going to buy the market. Make sense? Or you are going to buy the market, it's the same story, you are going to buy the market in here because this high, it's higher than this high. Alright? You're going to buy this market in here, but because your risk, your stop loss is going to be down here, you are still going to lose. Make sense, everybody? Yes, it's the same story. It's the same story on the smaller chart too. This is the weekly chart, but it could be the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, whatever. And don't forget, if you are going to buy a retracement, you are not trading the Fibonacci's in here. Okay, this is you trading uptrends, whatever. Alright, somebody said Canada JPY. Alright, let's do a Fibonacci in an uptrend. So clone chart, Canada JPY, daily chart, everybody. Canada JPY daily chart, out, monthly chart first. Canada JPY monthly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does Fibonacci on swing high to swing low work? Shola, I don't know. I'm not using it like this, so I don't know what to tell you. I know that people are doing. I know that 90% of traders are using swing high to swing low. USD CAD weekly and daily. USD CAD, it's locked in consolidation. Clone chart, USD CAD. USD CAD, Shola, it's locked in here. Fibonacci's don't work in consolidation, everybody. Make sense? USD CAD, it's inside. You should buy the lower band, you should sell the upper band. Okay? AUD NZD, Fibonacci doesn't work. It's in consolidation. USD CHF, Fibonacci doesn't work. It's in consolidation. Fibonacci's don't work in consolidation, everybody. So find a pair that is not in consolidation. So don't use Fibonacci's on USD CAD clone chart. Don't use the Fibonacci on AUD NZD. See in here? Some traders were thinking, oh, we are in an up market wave, right? So one more time, it confirmed the false breakout. This market is still in consolidation. Don't use the Fibonacci on AUD NZD. Don't use the Fibonacci on USD CAD. Don't use the Fibonacci on Euro GBP. Seeing here, everybody, still in consolidation, lower band, upper band. Fibonacci's don't work in here. By the way, who wants to bet? Let's make a bet, everybody. Is Euro GBP going to hit the lower band first of the consolidation, or is Euro GBP going to hit the upper band of consolidation? Broto, AUD USD, it's not up, it's down, monthly bands. Everybody, AUD USD is still down. The monthly bands, it's not up. And again, Forex Course 101, you are training yourself to understand number 1, 2, but especially number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can make an educated prediction. You can analyze the market, the chart, and make an educated prediction, you know, and they're calling you a genius. Oh, you are so smart, you know, right? Oh, you are so smart, you know, you are the market whisperer, you know, the market is doing, come on, you know, come on. This is basic stuff. This is not rocket science, by the way, everybody. Make sense? Boss, but how come he or she and I this and that? Because they are listening to the rules. What rules? Example, trade from what you see. Trade from what you see. Remember the Forex rep? 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade from what you think is going to happen. Trade from what you see. And I showed you the graph, right? I showed you the picture. Here. Was this the picture? Forex Course 101, it's all about the market. This is the learning phase. You are not there yet. Forex Course 202, it's about the money. It's the money phase. Okay? Okie dokie. Mattia is asking, but if we break consolidation, we can use the Fibonacci. Can you show how? Mattia, thank you very much. Everybody, you are mixing apples with bananas. Make sense? I'm just showing you how. Okay. Look in here. Thank you very much, Mattia. Look in here, everybody. So, back in time, this was the A up in here. Back in time, this was the A, and this was the B. Alright? And the market was in consolidation, everybody. See in here? Do we agree, everybody, the market was in consolidation? Mattia, you too? The market was up and down, up and down. So show me how to trade the Fibonacci when it breaks out of consolidation. You are mixing apples with bananas. Those are two different patterns. The best, what I can tell you, everybody, is that when you see the Fibonacci and when you see consolidation, you must choose and pick one to trade. Does this make sense to you, Mattia? Now, if one day, now this is pure speculation from my side, if one day the market does this, and does this, and does this, and does this, right, Mattia? Like this, something like this, and like this, you know. So we have a confirmed uptrend, which is not yet. We have a confirmed uptrend above consolidation, a minimum of 2. We've learned all of this, everybody. If you are new, please go back to Dukascope YouTube webinar page, start to learn. Once we have 2 hard highs, 2 hard lows, confirmed above the consolidation, okay, where should you start? Everybody, should you start at the first circle? Your A, should you start at the second circle? your A, should you start at the third circle, your A, or should you start at the fourth circle? Let's see how smart you are, everybody. If the market gets out of consolidation, it confirmed the uptrend. You have a minimum 2 higher highs, 2 higher lows. Total sense. Let's see how smart you are. Where are you going to start the Fibonacci's, Mattia? First circle, second circle, third or fourth? Not just Mattia, everybody else. Let's see how smart you are. First circle. Boss, I don't know. What are the rules saying? Yesterday we learned about the ABCD swing and the rules. Come on everybody, we're almost out of time. Fourth circle. Clara says fourth. Mattia, come on. Shola says fourth circle. Mattia. Anybody else? Broto, Ala, Julius, come on. First circle, second circle. Jeffrey, first circle, second circle, fourth circle, which one? Shola says the lowest low. Hedge fund trader Mattia, first circle, second circle, third circle, fourth circle, fourth. The A is the first low, is the lowest low, is the absolute low, is the starting point of something. I'm going to delete the circles number 2 and circle number 3. Between the first circle, Mattia and Clara, which one is the lowest low, the absolute low, the first low, the lowest low, the absolute low, and the starting point of something? Oh, but the fourth circle is the starting point. Wrong answer. No, it's not. Everybody, Forex course 101. You need to go back and learn. The first circle is the starting point of this yellow uptrend. You know, this uptrend, it's pure speculation, by the way. This uptrend didn't start in here, it started in here. We have a class called Relevant Highs and Lows. Clara and Mattia. Alright. Boss, I don't get it. If it's too difficult to understand, everybody, just look at the two. Let's say that you are not skilled spatially, alright? Let's say that you are not skilled visually to understand, alright? You didn't study, you didn't learn, or maybe you are just simply new to the channel. Let's say that you don't have the understanding on to understand this one. You know, just follow the rules. You say, alright, the fourth circle, it's the starting point of this one, but the first circle is the lowest low, is the absolute low, okay, is the lowest low. So this A applies to 3 rules out of 4. This low applies to 1 rule out of 4. Easier maybe to understand? And this is where you start your Fibonacci. Make sense, everybody? So Alright. So we are here, everybody, and yes, I'm checking right now. Is this a lower low? Okay. Everybody, if you are not sure, I'm just checking. Give me a second. I'm just checking. Alright. Alright. So this low is 1.00199, and this low it's 1.00, and this point it's 0.99. Mattia, you are right. Clara, you are correct too. Everybody, this is the lowest low. My bad, my mistake. Very good. Now Clara is screaming, yeah, I was right, you know. 40 is low. I'm just checking. Thank you very much. Yes, everybody, the 40 is lower, but you got the idea, right? Yes, this is lower, correct. But you got the idea. Don't assume. Because you see something like this. In this example, it's a lower low. Yes, you're correct. But sometimes you are going to have this one on the chart. Yes, Clara, you can throw a party, not a problem. Yeah, you know, I was right, I think he was wrong. Everybody, when you see something like this, alright, don't assume. Okay? Why I'm telling you this? Because a lot of you are still assuming, you know, that this is the A. Always follow the rules. Alright? This is the lowest low. Yes, sir. Alright? Now when this happens, nothing difficult. A to B. Make sense, everybody? Now listen to me. Listen to me, everybody. Sometimes you are going to have a chart like this and it's going to go to the red down in here. Okay? And you are going to buy the Fibonacci in consolidation. And you are going to lose. Don't trade and don't call me back. You know, help me here. And you are trading the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour Fibonacci's on Euro GBP monthly chart. And you are trading the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour Fibonacci's on AUD NZD monthly chart. And you are trading the 1 hour, 2 hour Fibonacci's on USD CAD monthly chart. Don't call me, everybody, makes sense? I'm telling you, Fibonacci's don't work. Alright, congratulations to you, Mattia and Clara, you spotted correctly. Okay. Any questions so far? I'm on Canada JPY. Everybody choose Canada JPY or choose Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Okay. Out, 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 out. Homework until tomorrow. Choose Euro JPY or Canada JPY. Daily chart this time. And draw the Fibonacci sequence. And you must come to the most recent Fibonacci. Original one. Make sense? Type in the chat, everybody. Mattia, do you want Canada JPY or Euro JPY? Clara, do you want Euro JPY or Canada JPY? Broto, do you want to draw the Fibonacci on Canada JPY? Daily chart, everybody. Boss, I don't know where to start. You start from the monthly band. Shola, do you want Canada JPY or Euro JPY? and anybody else who is online right now, homework. Chart the Fibonacci's, the original one, on Canada JPY daily chart or Euro JPY daily chart. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and both. Very good, congratulations. Even better, right? Clara, Euro JPY, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Now everybody, if Mattia can do both, you can too. Thank you very much, Mattia. Homework, you are going to do both. Alright everybody.